Hey beauties! Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas and Merry Christmas to you if you do celebrate. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for taking the time to come and watch. I decided to still post on today. We are in that 31-day marathon mode, you guys, but I figured if you get done eating, family's not around, or if you don't celebrate, you just get bored and you want to hang out with me, then come hang out with me. I'm going to be doing a very short and sweet, very quick and very easy and beginner friendly as always Christmas or holiday inspired look. And I had a different palette in mind for this particular tutorial, and then I showcased the Clarity Cosmetics Safari palette a few days ago, and my girl Jackie over at Jackie Naturals, she's linked down below, she was like, girl, that would be perfect, those first three shades, for a Christmas or holiday look. And I was like, you know what? You're right. So I'm going to be using this one today. I did purchase this, but I do have an affiliated code with Clarity Cosmetics. It is RERE10 for 10% off. And this is going to be super short and sweet. If these were all three shimmer formulas, you guys know I love to do a look where I go in with 3 different shimmers. I start with the lightest, go in the inner corner, go with the next shade up, and then the darkest shade, and I literally use my fingers, blend them out, and it is the easiest look you could ever do. I'm basically going to go in with the green on the outer V area, then press in the red, and then do the white or the cream shade on the inner corner. I am going to prime really quickly with my Alter Ego eyeshadow base. This was gifted, and basically I'm doing this just so I have something or canvas to lay down pretty much the green. And then I'm also going to go in with a sticky base, the Give Me Glow sticky primer, and do the metallics with that. I am also going to be sure to take a little bit of this on my finger and run it to the lower lash line. And you could do this with, again, all 3 shimmers and literally press them out lightest to darkest with just your finger. You could do this with all mattes. You could go in with the green, then do the red in the center, and then use a bright white or a cream color for your inner corner. So this is super easy, but very impactful. You guys know that I'm very much a like less is more beauty, but I also really want to showcase that makeup can be impactful while also being very easy. So I'm going in with a little bit of a smaller brush, and I'm kind of concentrating it, keeping it a little bit lower because I do have hooded lids. So I want to have room to be able to blend this out, and I'm only coming in a little bit less than halfway. And you can determine, you know, how much green you want to use, how much red, how much white as well. And I am opting to do my eyes first. I feel like, especially if I'm doing deeper shades, maybe it's a brand that I, you know, have not used before. You know, I'm using a lot of like shimmer or metallic shades, and I just want to avoid the fallout on my face if I've done my base thus far. I would rather just do my eyes first, which is kind of strange because up until probably 2 or 3 years ago, I was very much, I do not do my eyes first. I always did my base makeup first. But yeah, I'm going to press this on the outer half or so. And then I'm going to go in with a clean, open, fluffy brush, nothing on it. And I'm going to just kiss the edges ever so slightly. I will kind of round this out and connect it to the lower lash line once I do my base. And this does not have to be perfect. You can take your time. If you need to layer and build, you can do that as well. Then I'm going to go in with the Give Me Glow. You can use NYX glitter glue, whatever you may have. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, and everywhere else on the mobile lid that I did not place the matte shade down, I am going to place this down. And then literally just with my fingers, oh, the green was Can You Stop Lying, like L-I-O-N. Next up is Pray About It, P-R-E-Y About It. It is a beautiful deep metallic red. And I'm going to take this from the center or so of the lid, and then lightly tap it on top of that matte shade. Just with my pinky, I'm going to go into Don't Be a Cheetah, which is a beautiful, very light champagne-y shade. You could go in with gold here, you could go in with silver here, you could do a stark white, whatever is your preference. And again, just using my finger, I'm going to layer it slightly over that red. And then I'm going to go kind of back and forth between all three shades just to make sure that my gradient is there. That is literally it. I think I'm going to take the Don't Be a Cheetah on my finger and press it to the brow bone. I am going to clean up the little bit of fallout that I did get and then do this eye off of camera. I'll come back, we'll do the face together, I'll speed that part up, and then we'll pick a lip and we'll be done.